All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog. Here today, we're still in Alajuela province. We're going to be going to a free hot springs right up at this bridge here. Super cool, super cool. We just came from La Fortuna, which is up that way. You can see we're at Tabacon Thermal Hot Spring there. It's up the street right there, wherever those flags are. So that's cool. Guys, we're going to be doing a walkie-talkie tour here, and if the clouds don't rain on me, I'll do a drone video as well. This is a good one, man. This is a good one. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave a comment as always with your questions, feedback. Make a request. If I can build it into my travels here in Costa Rica, I most certainly will. But before we begin walking, let's talk about how to get right here from La Fortuna.
Starting off in La Fortuna right there, guys, you can drive your Ford Pinto, or if you have a better rental car, take that. That's my suggestion. You start heading off through the mountains. This is a really nice road, well paved. We've actually got some shots we're going to take a look at for this 15-minute drive. You're starting off in La Fortuna. This is right beside the main church in the main town square downtown. This is where you'll find a lot of restaurants and shops and stuff like that. Heading out of town now, you would be able to see the volcano, but unfortunately the clouds are in. It's rainy season, so that's to be expected. And this next shot will be driving by Baldy Hot Springs. This is super popular. Look at all the parking. Look at all the people checking in. That's a very popular destination. There's hot springs all around this area as well. Now we'll drive past a very popular activity here in La Fortuna and around La Fortuna, horseback riding. Look at the size of this group. There's many people in this group. That's what I would call a caravan. Not something I've done, because in the words of Walter White, Skylar, I am the horse. Continuing towards the west, these roads are really well paved, and up until here, you don't really have to watch out for landslides and washouts. That's more after this location. This is where you'll start slowing down and looking for parking if you're going to park on the side of the road. People are parking up a bit further away to try to avoid the watchy-watchy mans, I think, but still park in front of the resort where the security, off on the right there. This is where I parked, right down here.
Cool. So now we'll bring you right to here, guys. So this is what you're going to be looking for. Choyin right here. Choyin. This is Rio Choyin. And I parked right here on the side of the road, and I paid $4 to the watchy man, Miguel. He's a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Now, if you want an elevated experience, you can park here. I talked to Daniel there. It's $20 a person. But I'll show you guys kind of what's going on over here. Hello, bro. So these guys have washrooms. They have lockers, pool, and I think there's a restaurant in there too. Yeah, a restaurant and bar. And now I understand that this is affiliated with the Tabacon Hot Spring. And you can see actually there's the entrance over there for the private kind of, there's like a ramp that goes down to the hot spring. So that's convenient. It might be a good hit if you have mobility mobility problems. It's a mobility option. Yeah. So this road, guys, heads back towards Nuevo Arenal. That's kind of where I think I'm going next. Look at how lush it is here in the jungle, tropical forest, maybe? I don't know. There's more parking up the road. I actually drove right by here, and I saw there was parking on the road, and the watchy guy up there wanted $6. So I said, I'm going to shop around a bit. That's a little bit too much. And it was a farther walk, you know. And as I've said, cardio is, in fact, cardio. So guys, what we're going to do is, we'll go down here first. This is the deep side. So I just did a reconnaissance mission down here. This is the deep side. I think it's less hot down here. The shallow side is over there. So the entrance is over there. We'll do that in a second though. We'll go to the deep side first here. Go to the deep side first here. So you just kind of walk along here. And there is an entry point. And guys, gotta say, these water shoes are the best. I'm going to put a link on screen right now for my Amazon affiliate store with all the stuff that I find useful while I'm traveling here in Costa Rica. Now, where did I go? So that's, I think, the pathway from the private kind of situation. I started over here, though. I'm just going to go the same way that I did before so that I don't get lost and embarrass myself in front of YouTubes So here we are. Maybe the other side is easier. Maybe the other side is easier than this. This is a bit of a... This is a bit of a hike here. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Got to do 3 points of contact for this. Oh yeah. All right, cool. So here it is. So again, the water's going this way, right? So that's why I think it's hotter upstream. I think it's a bit more caliente up there. You know what I mean? Look at how lush it is here. So you could build this in as a day trip if you're in La Fortuna. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people here, I've seen a lot of people that I think are tourists coming through here. So this is a good one to put on the list. We were just at El Salto up in La Fortuna. There you go. It's super jungly. You can kind of see the mist coming off. I can at least. See how it looks on the video afterwards. And here's the pathway. So I just came down this way, guys. And again, the water shoes are just kicking it. I actually just met another guy who was wearing these same water shoes. Cool. And I'm just trying to focus on my steps here, as it is. There's a guy, there's a family. Cool. So this, I was told, was the deeper end by the Watchymans. This is apparently the deeper end. Where can I go in here? Where can I? So let's do a live water test. I mean, it's like not cold. I would describe this as not being cold. Wow, look at that. That's cool. I don't know if I should walk there. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't walk there. Let's go up this way. Oh, can I cross here? Yeah, I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do the crossing here. Let's see. Without doinking my drone. Not trying to doink the drone here. All right. This is cool. It gets a little deeper here, I can see. Oh, we're making it, guys. We're making it. Okay, right where the water's rushing, it's a little bit warmer. That makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, my goodness. Cool. So look at that, guys. Wow, that's nice. So that's the deep end. So let's go back up to the road and check out the shallow end. All right, so here we are back up at the road. We'll go down to the other side here. This is the entrance that I'm taking, at least. Let's head down here. Bit more easeful path, I'd say, on this side. And it was definitely more busy when I came down here. Presumably because the water's hotter and it's easier to access. But I don't know. We're going to get in the water. We're going to do a live water test here. Let's see. See, somebody put a fence up here. And then somebody else, maybe the same person, took the fence down. So perhaps that's why the security guard is there. So here we are. Let's get in the water over on this side. Way busier here, way busier here. Let's go, actually here, we'll show you guys what it looks like here. It's not hot right there. Definitely not hot right there. They've made these little pools that are kind of cools. Okay, yeah, a bit warmer here. I like the rocks. I like what they've done with the rocks. Wonder how often they got to fix these up. So as we get closer, it's getting hotter. I can definitely feel the heat increasing on this end. And it's all shallow so far. This is good. Oh, wait. Nope. Found a spot where it was deeper. Dude, let's just keep pushing up this river. Let's just keep pushing it. I'm going to go right beside this guy. Man, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, dude, wow, there's so many people back here, too. That's cool. I really am making a concerted effort not to fall here because I got my drone strapped to my back. Okay, so that gives you an idea, guys, of this. Now, you know what? Let's put the drone up and see what the hot springs here looks like from the sky.
Welcome aboard the free hot springs drone flight here. We're pushing up pretty much directly from where we were just standing there. You can see the river, people, lots of people in this river. Very popular. See those rocks down towards the left? The little poses that have been made there. Very, very nice. Very green here. Here's that parking area where the video started. You can kind of get a sense of it. The parking lot doesn't go very much further on beyond that. Here is the road heading back towards the west. That's that area where I thought to park, but the watching man wanted $6, where all those cars are. And then the road just kind of winds through these hills. Super lush here, super green. A little butter with the pan there. So tasty. Butter on everything is better. Here's some landscape, guys. And I want to say thank you to everybody buying coffee. I run on coffee. I need coffee. And the car takes coffee too, I think. I just ask for Jano regular when I go to the gas stations, and I'm assuming it's regular coffee that's put in it. It gets me to all these destinations so you guys can see them along with me on the trip. There's another little tight shot of the river. Once again, on the shallow side of the river. The deep side was way too jungly to fly the drone around. And here is as tight as I think I wanted to get it. There was a gap in the trees, and I thought maybe I could do a little push right there and show it. I think it executed well. Not as fast moving as some of the butter, but still good nonetheless.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage from right here at the hot springs, the free hot springs, 15 minutes outside of La Fortuna. I've been spending a bit of time here walking around, filming some stuff. We'll close out with these super cool things, dude. The ginger lilies. So I know what these are because they're actually so unique. They have this cream that comes out. It's like cream. It's like liquid. It's like moisturizing. So keep an eye out for those. They're here at the river, man. They're yellow though. I've usually seen them to be red. I don't know why they're yellow. Maybe they're juveniles. Who knows, guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. As always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave us a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Oh, I just smell my hand. It smells like essential oils or something. Got all that liquid all in my hand. Leave a comment, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Continuing on our way here around Nuevo Arenal.